Let's solve one previous question of lattice. This question was asked in GATE CS 2017 set 2 question number 21. Consider this set x equals to a, b, c, d, e under partial ordering R. Some relations are given. The Hess diagram of the partial order XR is shown below. Here the Hess diagram is given. If the Hess diagram is not given, you can find the Hess diagram. I already discussed how you can find the Hess diagram from the partial ordering. The minimum number of order pair that need to be added to R to make XR a lattice is dash. So it is asking how many order pair we should add to make this as a lattice. First, what is lattice? A poset will be lattice if for every pair we can find the greatest lower bound and least upper bound. Here just check for CD. Its greatest lower bound will be A and least upper bound will be E. Now for B and D, its greatest lower bound will be A and its least upper bound will be E. So these are the incomparable pair for which we can find the greatest lower bound and least upper bound. As you can find least upper bound and greatest lower bound for every pair, hence this is a lattice. We don't need to add any order pair, hence answer will be 0. We need to add 0 order pair to make it lattice as it's already a lattice. So minimum number of order pair that need to be added is 0 as this is already a lattice. I already discussed how we can identify one Hess diagram is a lattice or not. Just go through lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.